Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Today I will give you some information about the trading activity of American establishment.
So, there are three periods in the activity of this group of traders. One, during the period of economic growth and low rates, we saw very active buying until 2018. Two, after the failure at the end of 2018, buying declined and did not recover from the 2020 pandemic. Three, in 2023, there is already more selling than buying, as evidenced by a buy-sell ratio below 1. Since we are now seeing net sales, let's sort out what exactly they are selling. Among the most active politicians by number of trades over the past 3 months, the vast majority were net sellers and only a few were either multi-directional or net buyers. Here are the top selling stocks among these players. And these stocks were mostly buyers. Let's take a closer look at the most striking sales of the past few days. John R. Curtis has been the most active seller of his portfolio. About 20% of his deals are in the technology sector. We can say that he specializes in this sector. So, recently, he sold several companies from this sector. His other deals have also been notable against the general backdrop of sell-offs by politicians. Here we see complete sell-offs in small cap stocks. Complete sell-offs in the options market. There were naturally more partial sell-offs, among which these notable trades are worth highlighting. Besides selling, we may also be interested in buying, because this category of traders is not simple and has a very high awareness. Here are the purchases of stocks with high capitalization, over 10 billion. There were also purchases of stocks that hit their 5-year lows. Among the biggest deals recently, the NVDA and CVX deals stand out. Some notable trades in the options market are also worth noting.
I hope this information has been helpful for you. See you in the next video.